Eto na ang hinamon.
Isang linggong hindi lumamon. Practice lang, nag-practice.
Oo, practice na practice.
Ang kakantahin niya may iba't ibang cover versions. At ilang dyan ng versions ni na Doris Day, Barbara Streisand, at si Frank Sinatra. Narito na ang hinamon.
Isang linggong hindi lumamon.
With 7 wins, ang ating Lola's Playlist champion, Francis Aglaptin. Our Lola's Playlist winner for today is contestant number 2, Francis Aglaptin.
This is my quest to follow Jack's now. If I never sing another song.
It's very impressive. Nagulat ako kung paano niyang na-deliver yung nilalaman, damdamin noong awit.
Still mine.
Our Lola's Playlist Ultimate Champion is...
To reach the unreachable.
Francis Aglaptin!
The unreachable. When you walk through the storm, hold your head up high and don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of the storm is a golden sky and a sweet silver song of love. Walk on through the wind. Walk on through the rain. Though your dreams be tossed and blown. Walk on with hope, hope in your heart, and you'll never walk alone. You'll
Thank you, Francis. Dali.
Dali lang.
Ang wino-worry ko lang, hindi kaya itong mga bata mga itlog.
Bakit?
Tingnan mo yung ilalim, oh.
May papainit.
Oo, baka mga
Ano
itlog
tawag
eh.
dyan? Heater.
Bagay, si Francis lang ang delikado dyan.
Ano,
Okay.
itutuloy mo ba natin to?
Alam mo,
Abay, pakinggan natin yung ating judge.
Melda, may gusto ko kayo plug. May gusto
Yung
kayo plug.
magaling na singer na iyakin. Good afternoon.
Ay.
Wala akong masabi. Actually, lahat sila magaling. Pero merong pinakamagaling. I think you'll all agree with me. Ano? Galing eh. Nung bata pa ako, ganyan din ako kagaling. Kaya champion din ako eh.
Malamang nakita
13
na.
weeks undefeated, no? Okay, so pwede ko na pang i-announce o mamaya pa?
Mamaya!
Excited na ako eh.
Mamaya na! Thank you, Miss Imelda Papin.
Isang linggo. Okay. Mamaya lang konti, Imelda. Malalaman
Okay.
natin kung na-defend ba ni Francis ang title niya o mapapalitan na ba siya sa kanyang pwesto. Pero bago yan, sugod muna tayo.
Sugod pa ba? Sugod pa
Thank you,
pala.
ah.
Sugod pa ba?
Palitan na yung bata na yan, nakakainis.
Kantahan na lang tayo. Ako eh. Kantahan na lang.
Anong
Isa pa,
masasabi
isa
mo?
pa. Bossing, palitan na yan.
Alamin na natin ang panalo sa Lola's Playlist. Beat the Champion.
Meet the champion.
With an average score of 100%.
Abang, grabe nito mga judge nito.
Our Lola's Playlist Beat the Champion winner is contestant number 3, Francis Agustin.
Congratulations, Francis. Panalo ka ng 30,000. More pa ang pagsasaluhan natin. To watch na lahat na yan. Pagbabalik ng